The 2013 asbestos tender relates to the assessment and eradication of asbestos roofs on houses in the Free State. The NPA alleges that the procurement process was done in a fraudulent and corrupt manner and that certain public officials received bribes. Arrests were carried out in the Free State, Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal. The accused include ousted Mangaung Executive Mayor Multimillion-rand and controversial businessman Edwin Sodi. The state has prepared an indictment that means the matter will eventually be transferred to the High Court.
The seven accused in the 255 million asbestos corruption case will appear again on the 11th of November, Wednesday, at the Bloemfontein Regional Court. This is in connection with charges of fraud, money laundering, corruption and contravention of the PFMA Act. The seven accused are Multimillion-rand, Edwin Sodi, Selokadebe, Tabane Zulu, Sarah Mlamleli, John Matlagala and Khotso Manyeki. They appeared on the 2nd of October in connection with all these charges, and the matter was postponed to the 11th of November. And there were further investigations that the investigating team still had to follow up on. And further, there were issues around what happened at the police station where Mr. Sodi was detained that the investigating team still had to follow up on. And therefore, the prosecutor will therefore give an update in court in terms of further things that would have been added with regard to the indictment. There were further accused that we were expecting would be added to the indictment. So the prosecutor will give all that update in terms of what has happened with regards to that investigation in the meantime.
The seven accused are out on bail ranging between 50,000 rand and 500,000 rand. The asset forfeiture unit has been granted an order to freeze the accused assets, including bank accounts worth 300 million rand. Meanwhile, some ANC members are expected to protest outside the court. They demand more arrests in the asbestos case, the multi-million-rand Estina Farm Dairy Project, and the 400 million rand Bloemfontein taxi rank. I am Palasamwiti, SABC News, Bloemfontein.